group, and our project is called Spongebob Scavenger Hunt.
Hi, I'm Shiva Patel, and I'm the button designer for this project.
Hi, my name is Victoria, and I'm the board and link designer for this project.
This is our home screen. The objective of this game is to click around in any of these boxes until you obviously find Spongebob. So when you click on a box that doesn't have Spongebob, you will see Squidward saying no with an L on his forehead. But once you do find Spongebob, you can click on it and it'll take you to this link, which will say congrats, you found him. If you want to play the game again, click here and it will restart.
So once we find Spongebob, it's the button's a clickable link, and then it takes us to this page. And then I create this page using this HTML right here, adding a GIF right over here, and then a box just saying like click here to play this game again, basically.
Okay, so this is the code for this is the CSS code for the button overlays. So as you can see, the container and the overlay have the same position, which is relative. So the image and the button itself will be in similar position, basically. And then I have the height and width of 100%, so the overlay will always cover the exact size of the button and the image, and anything that uses this class, basically. And I have the opacity set to 0, but if you look down here, the container hovers. Once you hover over it, the overlay will have an opacity of 1. And then I have the overlay transition time set to 3.5 seconds, so the image doesn't show up immediately or too late after you click the button. Hi. Alright, so this is the front page of our game, and here's the demo. So the objective is to find Spongebob. For instance, this first button, I'm going to click it, and it's going to tell me no. It is a Squidward face that tells you no and has an L on his forehead. So clearly the first button is not Spongebob. So if you move on to the second button, the same thing. When I click on the button, it's Squidward again. And we don't want to find Squidward, we want to find Spongebob. Alright, so here's Squidward. Once again, always finding Squidward. Nope. Nope. Here we go, we found Spongebob.
Oh, yay!
It's a beautiful picture, isn't it? Alright, so once we find Spongebob, you want to click the button, and it takes you to another web page, and it tells you, congrats, you found Spongebob.
You don't say.
With a thumbs up.